What if I told you one piece of paper influences almost every economy on Earth? That paper is the US dollar. But here's the strange part. Most people using dollars don't even live in America. The world has hundreds of currencies. So why does one currency stand above the rest? Businesses, banks, and even governments keep turning toward the dollar. And the reason is bigger than most people realize. Every day, trillions of dollars move through global trade. Goods travel across oceans, but money needs a trusted language. Oil, energy, and many major commodities are often priced in dollars. That makes the dollar hard to ignore. Countries have other currency options, yet many still choose the dollar again and again. So what makes it so powerful? And why hasn't another currency replaced it? The answer involves trust, history, and a system built over decades. A system that quietly connects the entire world. To understand why the dollar still rules the world, we first need to go back to a turning point in history. Our story begins in 1944, near the end of World War II. The world needed a new financial system. Leaders from many countries came together and made a deal. They wanted stability after years of chaos. The US dollar was linked to gold. That gave people confidence that dollars had real value behind them. Over time, more countries started using dollars for trade and reserves. The network kept growing. The bigger the network became, the more useful the dollar became. And the more useful it became, the bigger the network grew. Then something interesting happened. Whenever financial crises hit, investors looked for safety. And instead of abandoning the dollar, many people actually bought more of it. America also had enormous financial markets. Large, liquid, and trusted by investors worldwide. Other currencies became important too, but replacing the dollar is much harder than most people think. Because once the entire world is built around one system, changing that system becomes incredibly difficult. Today, the dollar is more than just a currency. It's the foundation of a massive global financial network. Central banks around the world hold dollars as reserves because they trust they'll be accepted almost everywhere. International trade depends on speed and trust, and the dollar provides both. Could another currency replace it? Possibly, but not anytime soon. The world is becoming more digital. New payment systems and technologies are emerging every year. But technology alone doesn't create trust. Trust takes decades to build, and that's the dollar's biggest advantage. The world already knows how to use it. Its power doesn't come from the paper itself. It comes from the system, institutions, and confidence behind it. One day, the global financial order may change. History shows that nothing lasts forever. But for now, the answer is simple. The dollar still rules the world because billions of people, businesses, and governments continue to trust it. And in economics, trust is often the most valuable asset of all.